R8 V10 Plus. It's Suzuka gray, beautiful color. It's got the brakes done in Nogaro blue. This car is clean. Look at all the carbon everywhere. Carbon everywhere. Oh, that's a nice touch. Painted brace. The valves opening and closing. This is the quicksilver exhaust. This car is beautiful. Woo. We're gonna go for a ride right now. Hear this thing. Exhaust just got put on. Sick. Alright, we're gonna go for a quick ride. Oh yeah. Underpass. Never missed an underpass. Oh, that exhaust sounds good. That woke the car up, huh?
Definitely.
Wow.
Worth it.
Woo! V10, baby. Yeah, you gotta get exhaust in this car. Can't leave anything stock, guys.
Take it right.
Straight.
Straight.
Can't leave anything stock.
Stock is boring.
sick.
It did a spin. Yeah.
Porsche 992 911 Turbo S. This car is amazing. Porsche did a great. Porsche always does a great job. This car does 0 to 60 in like 2.5 seconds, quarter mile, 10.1 seconds at 136 miles an hour stock. With a tune and exhaust, people are going in the 9s. Beautiful car. Could daily drive this car. Take it to the track. Let's see the inside. Yep. They say nothing like a Porsche. Amazing quality. All right, we're gonna go for a ride. Porsche Turbo S 992. Fucking beast. Wow. Yeah, dude, it pulls hard. Your turbos always feel so fast, you know?
Yeah, we should try out this drive mode. There's like no turbo lag with this.
When you press that button?
Yeah, when you press that button.
When we get an open road, yeah. Sick. I like it. It's nice. Yeah, the new Porsche Turbo is no joke. 640 horsepower stock. In this car does a quarter mile in like 10.2. Ridiculous. So effortless too.
Yeah, it's so quick.
And you can daily drive this car.
I think it does it in 10.1, dude.
10.1, 10.2, low 10s.
Yeah,
with just a tune and exhaust, it'll go 9s.
That's unbelievable.
Yeah. Wow.
Gonna do a little first gear pull.
Yep. Sometimes there's a pop up here though, so hold on. Wait till after this.
It's a good road, right?
There's a nice road if you make a right up here actually, and then see if the RPMs will build to like 4,000 RPM or not. Yep.